In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate percentages in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing your budget, keeping track of project progress, or analyzing data trends, knowing how to calculate percentages efficiently can be a real game changer. So, let's walk through the process step by step to make sure you can apply this skill confidently. First, you'll want to open up a new or existing Google Sheet. Google Sheets is a part of the Google Workspace suite and is incredibly useful for handling data with its versatile spreadsheet capabilities. Once you have your Google Sheet ready, ensure that your data is organized properly. Typically, if you're calculating percentages, you might have a structure where column A has the total values and column B has the partial values for which you want to find the percentage. Next, navigate to the specific cell where you want your percentage calculation to appear. In this case, let's click on cell C2. This will be the location where our calculated percentage will be displayed. Now, we're ready to input the formula that will perform the calculation for us. In cell C2, type the formula equals B2/A2. This formula divides the value in cell B2 by the value in cell A2. By doing this, you are essentially determining what fraction of the total the part represents. This part might seem simple, but there's a crucial next step. After typing out the formula, simply hit the Enter key. Pressing Enter is a universal way of confirming and executing what you've typed into the cell. Once you do this, Google Sheets will compute the result of your formula and display it in cell C2. At this stage, you might notice that the output isn't formatted as a percentage. It's typically displayed as a decimal by default. To change this, you can use the formatting options in Google Sheets. Highlight cell C2, then click on the Format menu at the top of your screen. From the drop-down, select Number and then Percentage. This change will instantly transform your decimal into a percentage, making it far easier to interpret. There you have it. With these simple steps, you've not only learned how to calculate a percentage in Google Sheets, but also how to make sure it's presented in a clear and readable format. This foundational skill can be applied in countless scenarios, enhancing how you track growth, progress, and changes within your data sets. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to leverage percentages in your Google Sheets projects effectively.